guys, for this week's blog I decided to make a video because out of the goodness of his heart my pastor gave me some extra RAM, some better RAM, and upgrade for my MacBook. So what I'm going to do for this video blog is I'm going to try to replace the 1 gig of RAM, or the 2 gigs of RAM that I have in my MacBook, with the 4 gigs that he gave me. So it's 2 sticks. What's existing in the computer is 1 gig on each stick, and then the new ones I'm getting naturally is 2 gigs on each stick for a total of 4 gigs of RAM. So I'm going to give this a shot. Bear with me. You're going to go through this as I go through this. I haven't tested this. I haven't done this before. This is my first shot as doing anything like this with a computer. But it seemed fairly straightforward, and I think that I can handle that, and I hope it helps any of you out there if you decide you want to try something like that. So as I said, this is a 13-inch MacBook. It's a late 2008, probably after October, I think, is when the manufacturing date was. It's a regular MacBook, but it's a MacBook Aluminum. Now, to the best of my knowledge, what they've done is they've just rebadged it. Now they call it the 13-inch MacBook Pro. Whatever. This is the RAM that I'll be putting in there. Like I said, I had 2 sticks. That is out of an existing MacBook Pro or newer MacBook Pro, and the tools you need will be Phillips screwdrivers, small ones. So step 1 is naturally to make sure the computer's off, which I've already taken care of. I'm just going to flip this computer over here, and on mine, this is how you release the lower half of the case. That's the battery cover. This is the hard drive. This is the battery. You want to remove the battery, and then find the right screwdriver that fits. And there are, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Phillips screwdrivers. Now the only thing is, this screw right here is smaller, shorter than the rest of them. So I'm going to start with that one. There it is right there, little guy. So put that one there. While I'm doing this, one other thing I want to mention is that one thing that you do want to do, and I got some good advice from the teacher for this, is you want to back up your system before you try anything like this at home, because I may break this. I don't know. Hope it's not an expensive blog post, but we'll see. So there's the top 4. Oh, that's a short one. Looks like this one. There's another short one. Three. And the 4th and the final screw is right here. Now, according to the video that I watched on that, this cover here should just pop right up. And there it is. So you see the inner workings of the computer right here. On my computer, here is my old RAM. Now, to take this out, make sure you're grounded, there's no static. You pop these clips out and pull that one out. There's one. And then you pop these clips, it flips up. And this one's a little bit harder to get to if you've got fat fingers like me. Okay, so after some help from my lovely assistant, Donetta, the secretary at our church, we have gotten that out. So I'm going to go ahead, and as you can see on this one, the sticker's on the bottom. So I'm going to put the sticker on the bottom on this one. Okay, so you put the bottom one in, all the way in, push it down until it clicks. Same with the top, sticker down. all the way in, latch it in. Now, installation is reverse of removal, so we'll put this back on and we'll start putting the screws back in. But now we're putting the battery back in, I hope. There we go. Drop the battery back in. This little latch here locks the battery in for future reference. Put the cap back on. Turn the computer over. And we'll see if I did a good job. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it's powering on. There's the Apple logo, the little circle thing. So far, so good. There it is.